What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jet Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash first impressions on the Life's a Drag palette by Mannys. So if that is something you guys want to see, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the royal flush. Join the royal flush, y'all. That's all I can say. Be a king, be a queen, come be everything, because y'all know I'm the Queen of Hearts. So what else? You know, nobody else can take that place, of course. Also, right next to that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell notification button as well to be notified for my future uploads. And also give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps a lot, y'all. Thumbs up helps a lot. It helps us creators a lot. And with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this video, y'all.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination. Let your mind free.
Before we actually get into the tutorial and into the look as well, I'm going to do a little review slash detail about the palette and the brand. And the brand's owner and stuff like that. So this brand, Lunar Beauty, and this palette was created by Mannys. The reason why, like, of course it's called Life's a Drag, it's inspired by drag makeup and drag queens, and this is him in drag as well. But he also started out his makeup career in drag, so that's why he wanted to pay homage to the drag community and drag queens with this palette. Any information about Mannys, and I will also link his video right down below, so you guys can go check that out as well. So on the back of this palette, it states that it is a color palette, and the reason why it says that is because it is vegan. And the reason why it's vegan is because it uses dyes instead of carmine, which comes from a beetle, to actually make the red pigments in this palette. So that's kind of one reason why it's not eye safe, and that's why it's not called an eyeshadow palette. But if you guys want to know more information on why it is not eye safe and different, you know, what are the technical dyes that are in this palette, go ahead and check out Jenluvsreviews right down below. Her video, she breaks down everything. She's really good. Her information was really good as well. So with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this tutorial. So for my eyeshadow, of course I'm using this palette, of course. And where the hell did it go? So I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm playing with color today, y'all, so I'm about to try to use as much color as I can, because I don't want to be I don't want to do a neutral look. This fucking bug is about to die. I don't want to do a neutral look because that's boring, and we tired of neutral looks, y'all. We're tired of neutral looks, okay? Y'all hear me. Victor Ramos, love you, but that neutral look with this palette, was not cutting it. You represent us black boys, believe it or not. They believe you're black, okay, even though you're not. You're Afro-Latino. I honestly don't know if you consider yourself black or not. I really don't. But they see you, and you just doing these neutral looks with this palette is not cutting it. All right, I need you to change that. Do another look with the colorful side of the palette, okay? All right, let's continue. I love Victor. I love him so much, but that look that he did, he tried it, y'all. He tried it with that neutral look. Like, first of all, if you're known to do neutral looks, like I'm showing his Instagram right here on the side, like all his Instagram is like neutral, and I'm just like, where's the color? Okay, where's the color? I might use the brush that it came with, but I need something like pat color on, so I don't think I'm gonna use it. I'm going to use a Makeup Shack T36 brush to pack on some color on the outer V. And I'm going to take 50 on a Makeup Shack T93 brush and just pack that right here. And in. Now, I'm going to take Pageant Queen, which is that purple, that deep purple, and pack that right next to it. Okay, that is pretty. But I took the shade Kai Kai and I packed that right in there. In between those two, y'all. And I'm blending that upwards into my brow bone. And also blending the purple and the Kai Kai shade together. I'm going to take the shade Beat. And I want to pop that right on my brow bone. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys, so I finished this side right here. So far, I'm not done with the whole eye look just yet, but I'm going to be back to do the lower lash line. Or should I do that? I'll be back to do the lower lash line right in a second. For underneath my below my lash line, I'm going to take the shade Pageant Queen and I'm going to sweep that up underneath. Because this fallout is horrendous. On the Morphe R39 brush, I'm going to take that shade Kai Kai once again, and I'm going to pop that closer. Okay, you guys, so now that the eyes are done, I'm going to finish my whole face and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. So you guys, I really enjoy this palette, I would say. As y'all see, like in the beginning when I kind of fucked up, when I didn't really want. Okay, you guys, so it is like 2 days later, and I also want to say that these eyeshadows did stain my eyelids. They are not eye safe if you don't mind staining on your eyelids, but I'm kind of used to it. But it's 2 days later and they stained. That's crazy. When I really didn't want to use, be it like a dark look, I wanted to do more of a colorful, fun look, which is this look right here I came up with. It's nothing special, it's just a colorful fucking look. My all-on thoughts about this palette: it got dirty pretty fast. I don't know if y'all can see because of the fallout. It has some fallout. So if y'all a person, like if you guys are a person that does not like fallout, it has some fallout. I really don't care because like I kind of like it when palettes get dirty because it signifies that I've been using it, and it kind of just, I don't know. I like it, and I'm gonna just show y'all some other eyeshadow palettes that I have been using that y'all can probably tell that I've been using, you know, like the Jaclyn Hill palette, y'all can kind of tell that I've been using this. Like my Morphe 3502, you can definitely see I've been using this palette a lot. Well, I've used this palette. I don't really use this palette anymore. It's kind of just an old staple. And then the Morphe 35B, which is a look I use for almost every colorful look that I have. And this palette is also discontinued, so y'all can't buy this anymore. So I guess they're going to release a better version of it. But it's such a staple. Everybody was so upset because they really wanted to get it. But I'm glad I got it last year. So this palette, I think I'm going to be using this palette a lot because it has everything that I could possibly need, which is basically neutrals. It just doesn't have any reds. But that's why I've been loving the Jaclyn Hill palette, because it has reds, browns, pops of color. It's not just... So yeah, that is pretty much my review slash first impressions of the Life's a Drag palette by Mannys. If you guys are wondering what I'm using, what I use for my base and different things like that, for my foundation, I use the ColourPop No Filter foundation, which I use the whole collection actually, which the video will actually be up on it soon, so make sure y'all hit that bell notification. So you guys, so that kind of wraps up this video, y'all. This kind of wraps up this video. If you guys like the video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. That's subscribe, okay? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. With that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Have a blessed